New York City, Long Island, and northeastern New Jersey. Through late tonight. Thunderstorms will develop this afternoon and increase in coverage and intensity into this evening. Additional rounds of heavy rain producing thunderstorms are again possible tonight. 3 inches or more of rain will be possible where the heaviest and most persistent storms occur, leading to flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Morris, Passaic, Sussex, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bay through Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 412, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Morris, Passaic, Sussex, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bay from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 413, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Somerset, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 412. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, east central Orange County in southeastern New York, western Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harriman or near Monroe, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Point and New Windsor around 2:35 p.m. Cold Spring around 2:50 p.m. Peekskill around 3 p.m. Mahopac and Yorktown Heights around 3:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Heat advisory in effect until 6 p.m. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, northern Westchester County, and southeastern New York until 3:30 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yorktown Heights, near Peekskill, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Kisco around 2:50 p.m. Bedford around 3 p.m. Stamford around 3:15 p.m. Ridgefield around 3:20 p.m. New Canaan around 3:25 p.m. Norwalk and Wilton around 3:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, south central New Haven County until 4 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Georgetown or near New Canaan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Westport around 3:30 p.m. Bridgeport and Fairfield around 3:35 p.m. Stratford around 3:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Severe thunderstorm watch 412 in effect until 9. Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for central Long Island Sound until 4:30 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Bridgeport, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Petfield Reef around 3:40 p.m. Bridgeport around 3:45 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River around 3:50 p.m. New Haven Harbor around 4:05 p.m. The Thimbles around 4:25 p.m. Faulkner Island, central Long Island Sound, and Madison Reef around 4:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island in New York. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly County, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County, eastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County, Somerset County, northeastern Monmouth County, Middlesex County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White House Station, or near Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Belmead around 4:55 p.m. Somerville and Bridgewater around 5 p.m. Manville, Millstone and Martinsville around 5:05 p.m. Bound Brook and Millington around 5:10 p.m. Somerset, Middlesex and Society Hill around 5:15 p.m. New Brunswick and North Brunswick Township around 5:20 p.m. East Brunswick around 5:25 p.m. Edison around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Eastland, Bernardsville, Watchung, Fort Reading, Strathmore, Dunolin, Milltown, Haskett, South River, and Lawrence Harbor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The coastal